Do you want to know how you can log into your Midjourney AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Midjourney.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Midjourney AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page of Midjourney where you can log in or join beta. So if you want to join beta, go ahead and click join beta, which is over here, and you will be leaded to the beta version of Midjourney. Now if you want to log in, go ahead and click login, where you can see this portal will open up. What you need to do is log in using your Discord account. So select one of these, or you can just go ahead and click add account. What you need to do now is write down your Discord email address or phone number over here, and then write down your password over here. After you write down your email address or phone number and the password, go ahead and click login. If your password is correct, you can see that. You can click authorize, and then you can log into your Midjourney.ai account. There you go, guys. Now you can update your photos and you can download them and you can enjoy the arts created from a lot of artwork users all around the world. This was a video on how you can log into your Midjourney.ai account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.